Progressive things for the country. See, I know Rahul very, very well as almost like my brother, and we've worked together. We've done sport together. We've challenged each other, and I know that whatever he does, he puts his mind and heart and soul in it. And I think he understands the responsibility of being a leader of opposition. And I think that with the consent of the India coalition government, and with being in as the leader of opposition, he would challenge the BJP on every plan that they have, as in also choosing this pro tem speaker, or talking about the the stock market that was not, it had risen and fallen, and so Rahul asked for a JPC for it. So these are things that I see that he's determined to have, as he would like to have democracy existing, and he would challenge the government whenever if they make bills as they did before against without including the farmers of our country, and then just before an election the BJP tends to reverse those bills and give them sops. All this kind of optics of government should not exist. That's what Rahul, I think, will envision for India as a progressive India, and to overcome the employment issues and inflation issues and many other issues that this government always helps. I think the BJP government always helps only a few people that work for them, or they have their own Gathbandhan with those business people, if you may. But I'm just saying that Rahul will be apt and good for the country, for the opposition, and he'll be a good leader as leader of opposition.